I believe the truck has jumped. We're gonna grow, learn how to live here. It is the end of September and the good sunny days are gone. Now it's the moment to do some things that are for outside. At this point we didn't use the mini excavator or the mini loader since last year in the fall. Then before we can use them they need a little bit of attention. All it's set, now Mihai can go back to the well and close the trenching that has been left open. We didn't close that part because we wanted to make sure that all is functional, and it is. Okay, I have to go to my things. I'm gonna have to leave Michael to do his job. We started our garden pretty much late for this year and still we had good results. Not everything is perfect, but it's a learning progress. This is it for now. I don't know if we're gonna have any more ripe tomatoes, but I got the ones that are almost turning red because I know the rest are gonna make them turn red too. And overall we had a good yield of tomatoes. I'm most pleased of this because they are larger and they have nice flavor. All of them had nice flavor, but these were the largest so far. Not bad. It's good. And the last of the peppers. The peppers didn't do good because we only had few of them who survived, and we tried to see what's going and what's growing. It's good news that they're growing. That's what we have for now. These are the last. Probably I have two more that are not ripened, but I'm gonna let it live there. Maybe the weather is gonna get better, and I think it's gonna get better. There are still a lot of green tomatoes, which I'm happy with because they're gonna be very good when I will pickle them for later on. But we give them more chances to see if they're gonna ripen even more. I'm not gonna take them out now. After last year trenching, the ground has sunk in, and for Michael to be able to go ahead has to strengthen first his way to be able to get in the back to the well. And of course, it's a small excavator, it's gonna be very time consuming. I'm behind the camper in the experimental place where I put potatoes. I had 3 rounds of potatoes here, and one of them were from seeds, which they didn't do good, and one were early and one were late. Well, nothing was early because we were busy. We started planting potatoes, I think, in end of May, beginning of June. But they're already dried. I let them about 2 weeks in the ground to see how the skins are gonna go. And now, moment of truth, to see what we've done with the potatoes. Okay, the first one is out. The skin, it's good, it's not too thin. Then I think it was good to have them waiting a little bit longer. At this moment I didn't pick all the potatoes, only the ones I planted way earlier. By the time this clip is out, I collected all the potatoes and the harvest was not bad. But next year we're considering doing different things. So far this is the largest. I would love for everything to be this size. I'm gonna leave the later planted potatoes after I pick up the garlic. I'm gonna leave them in the ground till the frost is getting close and then see how they did. I planted here just for potatoes to try out, more experimenting for us, and we're gonna grow. Little by little we're gonna grow more stuff and more things, and we're gonna learn even more. That's what we're doing. We have to learn how to live here. Okay, this is what I got from the little 2 square feet lot I put of potatoes. The largest, the smallest. It was good as an experiment, but for potatoes turning this, the potatoes were this size. It's okay. Not happy with the results. Here, it's from the side of the camper. I got from 4 potatoes, I got, let's say, 4 times more, right? And the other side, I got maybe way less. Of course, I didn't put as many potatoes in the ground, but still, maybe I doubled the yield. Not a good thing. I believe 1 truck has jumped. Of course, before we had the chance to do more stuff, we had to go pick up stuff from the faraway larger city. The drive is long, yet beautiful. All is fixed and ready to go. Our well is 300 and some feet away from the house, and all the trenching that has been done last year is sinked in. The last part was open to make sure that everything is working. We can go ahead and cover all of it because we know the water is running and we have no problem with the pipe. Then we did a great job. Not bad for people who have never done it. Dancing with the stars. How you doing?
Good.
Doesn't make noises anymore.
Yeah, that's it. So almost we're gonna have some extra, not really, but so the dirt is gonna sink, it's gonna compact during the winter, and I'm gonna complete next week, next year. Now just we want to be sure that during the winter the pipes will not freeze.
So you're doing great.
Oh yeah.
Thanks. I'm pretty much sure that we're not gonna have any problems with our pipes during the winter because we buried them as deep as we could, close to 6, even 7 feet most of the way. The wood stocking is going on. We're getting ready for the winter. We're doing some other things, yet we built the entire house mostly by ourselves. Questions or comments? You know where to put them, but don't forget, we are not professionals. I'm not that happy with it, but yeah, it's okay. That one down. Comments or questions, you know where to write them.